third topic I want to talk about is the school's location and the living conditions in that area. As a newcomer in Canada, you should take note that the school's location and the living conditions around that area is very important. You're lucky if you have relatives who can guide you on your first few weeks in Canada as you are familiarizing with the place. But if you're a total stranger, you have to do a lot of research even before deciding to come in. And quite frankly, you have no escape with the cold weather because almost all locations in Canada have winter seasons. But some provinces are worse than the others. For example, you decide to come to Alberta, which is, by the way, considered cold as well. You can either choose Calgary or Edmonton. These two cities in Alberta have quite similar logistics. Both of them have DLIs, SAIT in Calgary, NAIT in Edmonton. Both cities have reliable public transit system like buses and trains that can help you move around even without your own vehicle. Also, there's a good number of rental places nearby schools, so you can quickly search for accommodation. And because these are cities, groceries and shopping malls are easily accessible, so you won't have a hard time securing your basic needs, especially during winter times. Plus, in cities like Calgary and Edmonton, there are plenty of part-time jobs for international students. So there's a chance that you can work for 20 hours per week and generate income for your daily needs.